In this video, we will explain the meaning of scale and proportion in artwork. Knowing these important art concepts will help you better understand painting. So let's begin. Welcome to Acrylic Arts Academy. We teach the world to paint. What is proportion in art? Proportion means that any group of objects are sizes that make sense to one another. Proportion is the size of objects that all make spatial sense. An example of something proportional is the size of a dog's paw in regard to the rest of the dog. A dog's paw is neither too large nor too small. It simply is the size that makes sense and is proportionate to its body. Another way to consider this art concept is to think of the pieces on a chessboard. Chess pieces vary slightly in height and design, but are proportionate in relation to their size. As a group, they make sense together. What is scale in artwork? Scale is the perceived size of the objects or space inside your artwork. The scale of a painting featuring a hilly landscape is larger than that of a painting depicting a vase of flowers. As you can see from these two examples, scale changes with the perceived size of the space or objects represented in an artwork. For a viewer to best enjoy your art, you'll want to make sure you've got a solid understanding of proportion and scale. If this video helped you understand proportion and scale in art, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this. Receive your acrylic painting supply list and paintbrush guides to help you get started. Just visit acrylicartsacademy.com/free guides. See you next time!